to number 3 of the tutorial of Python. So in this channel now we learned yesterday about some basic operators, right? Yesterday, no, 2 days ago we learned about basic operators. Now we're gonna continue about basic operators, but now we're going to talk about string formatting. So string formatting is Python uses C-style string formatting to create new formatted string. The modulo operator is used to format a set of variable includes in a tuple, a fixed size list, together with a format string which contains normal text together with argument specifiers. Special symbols like modulo S or modulo D. Okay. Okay. Let's say you have the variable called name. So we're gonna comment it. So this print out hello Veronica. Okay. So a variable is called name. So like that. And you do it with Veronica because it's right here. And then you print say hello modulo S and then modulo name. And if you print it, it's gonna say hello Veronica. Okay. Now to use two or more arguments specifier, use the tuple present this. Like this. That's what use more two or more like this thing. The bracket, okay? So I'm just gonna comment this so it doesn't give me an error. Now we have this prints out John Veronica is 17 years old. So name is same as Veronica, but make sure you put the string between the name. Okay, and age is 17. And then you do modulo S is modulo D years old. Now you have to then modulo name with an age. So it says 17. So it says 17 right here. So this is going to print out Veronica is 17 years old. Ready? Now if you print it, it's going to say Veronica is 17 years old. Good. So any object which is not string can be formatted using the modulo S. Modulo S, okay? And then modulo S operates as well. The string which return from the wrapper, like that, method of that object is formatted as a string So like for example, let's see, let's comment all that. So for example, this is going to print out a list. So like a list is 1, 2, and 3. So my list is equal to 1, 2, and 3. And then if I'm going to put as in like a list, then you want to do a list is equal to modulo s and then modulo my list, like that. And if you do it like that, it's gonna say a list is 1, 2, 3. But if you want to add like more than one list, then you do let's do B list. This is this prints out B list, which is 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so 4, 5, and 6. Then you go here and write my list is equal to 4, 5, and 6, and then you put a meet here and say print B list is equal to modulo s and then modulo my list right here, and then if you print it, it's gonna say A list right here and B list right here. But you have to do, let's say this is A, so it's gonna be a me list. And then if you do it, see 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6 like that. So the only reason it printed out like this, like that, because when you say a my list right here, my list here and my list here is different. Okay, same. This one right here and this one right here. So one of them has to have a different name, but not the same name. If you want to print both of them out, you have to put a different list or name. Okay? Alright, so let's go to we're just gonna continue with the argument specifier that you should know. So I'm just gonna put this right here and oh no. Oh no. Okay. Well, it's not working anymore. I have to quit it. I think it's frozen. Yeah, it's frozen. So I'm just gonna continue with right here. So this is the website that I made, and it says, so string is any object with a string representation, like numbers, is modulo s. Okay, and module D is integers, and module F is floating point number. Modulo number of digits F is floating point number with a fixed amount of digits to the right of the dot. And then this thing right here is integer in hex representation, lowercase or uppercase. Guys, not even typing. It's frozen, so I'm gonna continue right here. So it says this is an exercise. Okay, so you guys need to do write a format string which prints out of data using the hello John Doe your current balance is 53.44. So you guys are going to need to use these argument specifier right here and try to do it.